morning students. In continuation to line chapter, today I am going to explain you image formed by concave mirror. So let us recall our previous knowledge. We know that spherical mirror, there are two different types of spherical mirror. Number one is concave mirror and second is convex mirror. See the diagram, concave mirror और convex mirror. आपको डायग्राम की बार बार प्रैक्टिस करनी है जिससे आपको डायग्राम बनाने में कोई कंफ्यूजन ना हो. Next thing is concave mirror. P is pole, F is focus, C is center of curvature, and this line is known as principle of axis. Very important thing while drawing the ray diagram, the distance between P and F and C and F and C should be same. अगर आपने डायग्राम में डिस्टेंस सेम नहीं रखा तो आपका डायग्राम प्रॉपर इमेज वाला नहीं होगा. So let us start. There are 6 positions. Very important thing is that after drawing the ray diagram, 3 things are required: nature, real or inverted, size, point size, diminish, magnified, highly magnified, etc. and position. कहाँ पर इमेज का फॉर्मेशन हुआ है. That is very important. Now first condition is when the object is placed at infinity. I am drawing the first diagram. Please pay attention. Things required are pole, focus, center of curvature. Now first condition is when the object is placed at infinity. Here object is placed. After reflection, the first light ray will pass to the focus, and here ray diagram, second parallel light after reflection that will pass to the focus. So image will be formed at focus and it is point size image. Again very important thing, while drawing the ray diagram, 2 rules are there. First light ray will pass to the focus and second light ray will pass to the center of curvature. और ऐसी भी कंडीशन है जिसमें सेकेंड लाइट रे सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर को अगर नहीं पास कर पा रही है तो वो फोकस को पास करेगी. Arrows are also very important. So image form will be real and inverted. Number 2, at focus, and number 3, point size image. Or we can also that highly diminished image, बहुत छोटी image है. Second condition is when the object is placed at focus. मैं रफ डायग्राम बना रही हूँ लेकिन आपको स्केल से डायग्राम बनाना है तभी आपका प्रॉपर डायग्राम, प्रॉपर रे डायग्राम बनेगा. When the object is placed at focus, after reflection it will pass to the focus and second light ray will pass to the center of curvature. Here image will be formed at infinity. So different conditions are real and inverted. Second, image will be formed at infinity, and third, image will be highly enlarged. Now third condition is when the object is placed at center of curvature. Pole, focus, object here is center of curvature. Object is placed at center of curvature. The light ray after reflection, according to rule, first light ray will pass to the focus. लेकिन इसमें second light ray center of curvature को नहीं pass करेगी. So second light ray will also pass to focus, and after reflection it will meet at C. This type of image is known as inverted image. Now, after reflection, this is the third position when the object is placed at C. The image will be again real and inverted. Second, same size as object placed, same size as object. And third is at C. These are the three conditions which you will practice again and again. The remaining three conditions of image formed by concave mirror that we will discuss and see in